Morning student. Today we are going to see the exercise number 1.3 first sum. The subscription department of a magazine sends out a letter to a large mailing list inviting the subscriptions for magazine. Some of the people receiving this letter already subscribe to the magazine while others do not. From this mailing list, 45% of those who already subscribe will subscribe again, while 30% of those who do not now subscribe will subscription. What percent of those receiving the current letters can be expected to order the subscription? So from the given clue, we are going to write down the transition probability. So first of all, they have given the 45%. So out of 100%, so totally whatever we will be comparing to the 100% only. So 100 minus 45% is 55%. Here 70, here the 30% is there. So if we compare, that is if we subtract the 100 minus 30 means 70%. So we are going to write down the transition probability. Solution. Transition probability. Transition probability matrix. So T is equal to A, B. Here what will come? 0.45 and here 0.55, then here 0.30, then 0.70. Then this is A and this is B. So where A represents the percentage of subscribers and B represents the percentage of subscribers. B represents the percentage of subscribers, that is non-subscribers. Okay, so from the given data, the 40% by the given data, %40 received the order of subscription. So that is equal to 60% is or non-subscribers. Okay, so from the given question, we are just writing the probability matrix. Then we are just writing what is A, and the B represents the percentage of subscribers, that is non-subscribers. Then we are just writing by the given data, 40% receive the order of subscription, then 60% are non-subscribers. So then A is equal to 40% is equal to 0.40. Okay, so that means what is 40 by 100? So that is equal to 0.40. Then B is equal to 60%, that is equal to 0.60. Therefore, here A, B. Then here is 0.40, then 0.60. Then A, B. Okay, here 0.45, then 0.55, then here 0.30, then 0.70. Then this is A and this is B. Okay, now we have to multiply it. First number into first number and this second number into second number. Then this number into this number, then this number into this number we have to multiply it. So 0.40, okay, into 0.45 plus 0.60 into 0.30. Okay, so this number into this number plus this number into this number. Then you just leave the space. Then 0.40 into 0.55. Then plus, then 0.60, then 0.70. Okay, then afterwards what you have to do, you just multiply it. Then you after multiplying you will be getting 0.18 plus 0.18. Then here is 0.22 plus 0.42. So that is equal to 0.36. Then here 0.64. Okay, so therefore 36% of those receiving the current letter can be expected to order a subscription. Okay, so this is the first sum. This how you have to do it. Next we are going to see the second sum. A new transit system has just gone into the operation in Chennai. Of those who use the transit system here, 30% will switch over using the metro train next year, and 70% will continue to use the transit system. Of those who use the metro train this year, 70% will continue to use the metro train next year, and 30% will switch over to the transit system. Suppose the population of the Chennai city remains the constant, and that 60% of the computers that is use the transistor system, and 40% of the commuters use the metro train this year. What percentage of the commuters will using the transit system after 1 year? What percentage commuters will use the transit system the long run? Okay, so last sum wise, so by given clue we are going to write down the matrix. First of all, here they have given 30%, 70 and 30, and here also 70 and 60, 40 they have given. So we are going to write that one. So what is the transition probability? So solution, the transition probability, matrix. So what is the transition probability? Is it equal to A, B? Here what is it will come? 0.70, 0.30. Then here is 0.30, then 0.70, and this is A and this is B. So next what we have to do when A represents the percentage of people using the transit system, and B represents the percentage of people using metro train. Okay, so from the given data, by the given data, A is it equal to 60%, is it equal to 0.60. B is equal to 40 percentage, that is equal to 0.40. Then what we have to write using that one, now we are going to write this one. So this is for the first subdivision. Okay, so for first subdivision we are just doing this one, finding the probability matrix. Then we have from the given clue we are writing the 0.60, then 0.40 we are writing. Afterwards what we are going to do, we are just going to do the multiplication using this matrices. So 0.60, then 0.40 is it equal into 0.70, then 0.30, then 0.30, then 0.70. Okay, then as usual what you have to do, we have to take this row and column and you have to multiply it. Okay, so multiply in the sense, then 0.60 into 0.70 plus then 0.40 into 0.30. Then you just leave the gap and again here this number into this number and this number into this number. So 0.60 into, then again what you have to do it, that is 0.60 into 0.70, then 0.40 into 0.30, then 0.60 into 0.30, then plus 0.40 into 0.70. Okay, so likewise you have to multiply it. After multiplying, what you have to do it, you have to multiply it, and lastly what is 0.42 plus 0.12, and here what is 0.18 plus 0.28. Then what you have to do, 0.54, then 0.46. Then A is equal to 54 percentage and B is equal to 46 percentage. Okay, next this is the first one. So the first one is, what is the percentage of commuters using the transit system after 1 year is 54 percentage, and the percent of commuters using the metro train after 1 year is 46 percentage. Okay, so using from the given answer we are writing this one. Next we are going to do the second one. So second one, equilibrium will be reached in long run. At equilibrium we must have, at equilibrium we must have A, B, T is equal to A, B. Okay, then at equilibrium means A plus B is equal to 1. So A here, B. Okay, next what we are going to write is 0.7, then 0.3, then 0.3, then 0.7 equal to A, B. Okay, then what you have to do, we have to just multiply it. Now we are going to, as usual, we are going to multiply it. So that implies 0.7A, then plus 0.3B. So this number into this number, then this number into this number. Then 0.3A plus 0.7b is it equal to AB. Okay, so just we are multiplying. After multiplying, we are just equaling the entries on both the sides. So that means what? How we are going to write? 0.7a plus 0.3b is it equal to a. So that implies 0.7a plus 0.3 into 1 minus a is it equal to a. So already we know a plus b is it equal to 1, then b is it equal to 1 minus a. Okay, so that we are substituting. Okay, so 0.7a plus 0.3 minus 0.3a equal to a. So everything what you have to do, you have to simplify it. So 0.3 is equal to a plus 0.3a then minus 0.7a. Altogether if you simplify means what is the answer? You'll get 0.3 is equal to then what is the answer you'll be getting? You just take the a outside, so 1 plus 0.3 minus 0.7. So 0.3 is equal to a into 0.6. Okay, so using the calculator you simplify it. So 0.3 by 0.6 into a. So what is a? A is equal to 1 by 2. So that implies a is equal to 0.50 you will get. Okay, so therefore a is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore the percent of commuters using the transit system in the long run is 50%. Okay.